One of the simplest methods to generate money from home is by employing a free Google technique, which I demonstrate in this video. How do you do it? We'll soon find out. This is a free Google method to earn $5,180. Additionally, just a small portion of viewers of my videos really subscribe. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, think about subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. So that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online, I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. Make the maximum money as a result, of course. In this video, I'll show you how to use this totally free software to use a straightforward Google technique to set up this passive income stream with only one click of a button. And guess what? You don't even need to have your own website to get started, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Before I continue, let me show you how to do this. I'm from, fill in the blank, which is your nation, please comment. I'll be able to pinpoint your specific origin if you do that. I'll be able to ensure that every video I release from now on is for you. So please mention your nation in the comments section below. Don't forget to stay around and watch all the way to the finish of this video because I have a special bonus for you there. Now let's get going. So let's start with step 1, which is visiting news.google.com. The second step will direct you to Google News, a news aggregator site created by Google where you can access the most recent news from all over the world. You can see all of these different categories over here on the left side, including those for your country, the world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on business over here, you can get the most recent business news from either your country or the entire world. Moving on to step number 3, news updates and fresh articles will be published on specified topics every couple of hours. In this case, that topic will be business. As you can see, this one was posted an hour ago, this one 14 hours ago, this one 11 hours ago, and so on. In order to use any of these articles to earn money online, you can open them. All that is left for us to do is click on this particular article. And doing so will lead us to this website. As you can see, I will be explaining in detail how you may use this entire post to make money. So please replicate this article for this step. I'll only reproduce 2 phrases from this page for the purposes of this video in order to demonstrate how this actually works. And how you may profit from these Google News stories. The only thing you have to do to proceed to step 4 is visit Quillbot.com. A free internet application called Quillbot.com will expertly rewrite those articles for you. As a result, you can use them repeatedly for no cost in order to make money online. Therefore, all you need to do is paste your content here and press the paraphrase button. Additionally, it will completely rewrite the article. The best part is that everything is done for you for free. As you can see, the original piece is on the left, and the rephrased version, which is now unique and ready to use, is on the right. With just one click, I can now copy this revised post and use it to generate income online. And you can apply the same strategy to all of the articles from various categories that are available in Google News, which are added on a regular basis to give the impression that you have a never-ending supply of thousands of unique pieces. Keep an eye out for free goodies that I'll be giving you later in this video so you may earn even more money. Moving on to step number 5, there are 2 alternative ways you might profit from those articles that have been rephrased. The first won't bring in much money for you, but the second can bring in thousands of dollars. In fact, it has brought in tens of thousands of dollars for many people around the world. But before I go, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort making, I would really appreciate it if you guys clicked the like button and turned on your subscription notifications. Let's return to the video now. Utilizing TextBroker.com is currently the first and least expensive solution. Working with some major corporations, including Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others, is TextBroker.com. You will be paid by this platform for creating those articles. Naturally, you won't need to create those articles yourself since, as I just demonstrated, using a straightforward Google method to generate income online, you can have them produced for you completely free with the press of a mouse. All you have to do is go to textbroker.com and click on I write content in this particular location. You may discover more about how earning money by producing articles for TextBroker works on the following page by clicking the link. Registering with TextBroker is completely free, and you can start earning money by producing various articles right away. You may now determine how much money you will be making by going to this page's payment section and clicking on more information. As you can see, you will get $50 for 1,000 words. Additionally, Google News has literally hundreds of articles that are 1,000 words or longer. Therefore, the earnings increase as the article length increases. You will earn more money if your content is longer and better. Let's assume you earn up to $600 for writing 12,000 words. The nice part is that you can repeat the process. Just remember that this won't earn you as much money as the second method of earning money using free articles. Simply click Free Author Registration here to sign up for TextBroker, create an account for nothing at all, and start earning money from those articles. The second approach to profit from those free articles is by using the strength of websites that connect freelancers with clients, such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and many others. There are many other freelancing websites besides Fiverr that you may use, and by using more of them, you will be able to earn much more money. Therefore, you can 10 times your revenue if you sell on 10 separate freelancing platforms. But that's simply one option to monetize those articles if you only sell on one website. Therefore, you will earn more money the more you do it. Therefore, if you visit Fiverr.com and perform an article writing search, you will see a list of all the different people that earn money by producing straightforward articles. However, since they are doing it themselves, they are doing it the difficult way. And as a result, writing those articles requires a lot more time and work from them. Additionally, customers dislike having to wait. No one loves to wait, after all. Additionally, because you can produce such articles very immediately, you will be 10 steps ahead of all of your rivals and will therefore do better financially. By producing straightforward articles, each of these people is earning tens of thousands of dollars. Additionally, this is just on the very competitive freelance website Fiverr. Therefore, I urge you to utilize the other freelancing websites as well. And as I indicated before in this video, there are many different Fiverr options. You will be able to maximize your profits the more freelancing websites you use. This approach is really straightforward and cost-free. The fact that it functions everywhere is the finest part.